Hello everyone, thanks for joining me again today. You might be watching this video because you're thinking about getting an FHA loan for a second home, like a vacation home, for example. Now, you're not permitted to use an FHA loan to purchase a second home. It has to be your primary residence. It can't be a house at the lake or at the beach or somewhere else. So now if you are moving out of your current residence and that becomes your second home and you already have an FHA loan on it, then you can leave that loan in place even though that home you're leaving is now becoming your second home. Maybe you're watching this video because you're not looking for a vacation home, you want an FHA loan on your next house, not really a second home like a vacation home, but your second home, so your second primary residence. So if that's the case and you want to keep your FHA loan on the existing home, meaning you want to hold your other house as a rental property, then that's possible, but there are some requirements you have to meet. And we're going to list those requirements in our article that I encourage you to read at FHAlenders.com. And I'll put that link down in the first pinned comment and also the description. But you're potentially able to keep an FHA loan in place if you're keeping the house that you're leaving. Now, if you are going to be selling the house and you're wondering whether you can get a second FHA loan to buy the next house, absolutely. If you're selling the house that you're living in now and that house will be sold even 10 minutes before you buy the next house, then that's not a problem at all. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll help you at FHAlenders.com. If this video was helpful, hit that like button. Thanks for watching today, everybody, and we'll see you next time.